Hello everyone, I welcome you today to my construction tips. So today I want to show you how to position your continuous column, how to position it, how to install it, or how to place it very well, okay? And also I want to just give you a guideline on lapping length. Do you understand me? So I want you to pay attention. These things, these small things in engineering field, they are very important. If you neglect them, it will hamper your structure in long time. Okay, it cause a lot of damages in your structure. Okay, so I want you to pay attention because they are very important. Most of them do ensure your structural stability even over a long period of time. Okay, so I want you to pay attention very well. Also, I want to give you a guideline about lapping length of column. Okay, so I want you to pay attention very well. Okay, thank you. So the columns are ready. Okay, as you can see, this is what staggered bars means. This is the major place that will be inserted or position or install on the lapping length of the starter bars, okay, from the column, from the ground, from the foundation. Do you understand me? So we are done with this column, okay. Before the columns will be positioned, before the continuous column will be positioned, I hope you are watching it. The mouth will be tied such a way that it will be easy to be positioned. The continuous column will be easy to be positioned. I hope you are watching it. Hope you are watching it. It's going to be positioned in such a way that the continuous column will enclose the starter bar. I hope you are seeing it. That is it. The fitter man have to do it very well so that it will enclose it very well. Do you understand me? So that is it. Okay. Hope you are seeing it. So you have to tie the starter bar with you have to tie it with a continuous column using binding wire. Okay. I hope you know that I have shown you people the staggered length of this continuous column downward here. Okay. So that is it. So it has to be tied very well, firmly. You have to measure the continuous column. Yeah, the continuous column, the bars are measured in such a way that it's going to come out from the slab where possible. That is, if the columns will not terminate at the slab. But if it is the one that will terminate at slab, then you have to measure it so that it will terminate at slab. Okay, so that is it. It's a very nice detailed work. This column as a case study. Okay, so my minimum lapping length is 720 millimeter. Okay, so let's check this one that has been positioned. Do you understand me? This one is up to 3 feet. It's up to 900. I hope you are seeing it. Even it's approximately 1 meter. Come closer, just take a shot. Okay, come closer. It's approximately 1 meter. Okay, do you understand me? So I want you to pay attention. My minimum lapping length is 720. So this one is well above the minimum lapping length. Do you understand me? Okay. Next thing I want to show you about lapping length, there is something that is called staggered lapping. Okay, staggered lapping, it entails when the rebars are not uniform here, especially the continuous bar. when they are not uniform. So you can see, you see where this one stopped, okay? This is a staggered lapping. You see where this one went a bit inside, more than this length. I hope you are seeing it. So that is how some of them are, okay? So within this region, some of them, some will be longer than others, some will be smaller than others. Do you understand me? This is what is called staggered lapping. Staggered lapping. Okay, they are not going to be uniform. The continuous column are not going to be uniform. You see, this one stopped here. This is continuous column. This is where it stopped. Okay, then this one goes right inside here. So the same this thing, this one went a bit inside. This one stopped here. So that is it. This is what is called staggered lapping. So it ensures, the staggered lapping ensures the overall integrity, the structural integrity of the columns. Okay, yeah, it helps the structure itself. Do you understand me? So that is it. The third thing I want you to note about lapping is that when you're positioning your continuous column, okay, on your starter bar, ensure that the continuous column encloses the starter bar. This is the starter bar, okay, from the ground. This is starter bar. Ensure I hope you are seeing how the continuous column encloses the starter bar. Do you understand me? So this is what I want you to note, okay? So that is it. Come. Are you an engineer, a newbie in the field of construction, an artisan, or you're just a lover of construction? Please, if you found this video helpful, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? I have a lot of construction tips for you. Do you understand me? Please, if you know anyone who might be interested in this video, you can as well share it to them. Let me see your likes. Let me see your comments, okay, your thoughts and comment section. So, all right, there are many construction tips that are coming. Please, I want you to hook on. I have many construction tips, updates that I will give you, okay, especially about columns, foundation, and most of the structural aspect of building. But not the least, ensure you consult a building expert when you are executing your structures, okay? Reach out to your structural engineer, your building expert for professional guidelines. Do you understand me? Okay? So let's rub minds in comment section. Thank you.